warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, hello Sazalim. Maybe last part, but I don't know. My name is Halida Zia Audriana Pratama, but everyone calls me Zia from Taiwan. Today, I want to share one of the most meaningful part of my journey as a student, my experience joining different competition, and most importantly, how those experiences changed me. One of the competitions that I remember the most was the Mathematics Olympiads. Honestly, at first, I didn't really like mathematics. In fact, when I had the chance to choose an OSN file, I actually went to OSN Science. But unexpectedly, after the selection test, I was accepted into OSN Mathematics. At first, I was like, really mathematics, bro? I was confused because mathematics wasn't my favorite subject at the time. But instead of giving up, I decided to give it a chance. I started studying, I practiced again and again, I learned from my mistake, tried to understand difficult question, and slowly I started to enjoy the process. And something surprising happened. The subject that I didn't really like before became one of the subjects that I enjoy the most until now. For me, the most unforgettable moment was when I found out that I became one of the finalists. Honestly, I was speechless. I felt incredibly happy and proud, not only because I became a finalist, but because I realized that all the effort, all the practice, and all the moments when I struggle were actually worth it. Besides mathematics, I also participate in many other competitions. I joined a Sundanese competition once. Wait, I joined a Sundanese storytelling competition once, Indonesian storytelling competition twice, an Indonesian speech competition, a new reading competition, and a religion speech competition. Storytelling is probably one of the competitions that I enjoy the most. Every time I stood in front of people, I learned something new. I learned how to control my nerves, how to express emotion, how to speak clearly, and how to connect with the audience. Wait, Azan guys. Of course, not every competition ends with victory. Sometimes I won, sometimes I didn't. But I learned that competitions are not only certificates, trophies, or being the best. They are about the person you become during the process. They taught me to be more confident, more disciplined, and brave enough to try something new. And looking back, I'm actually grateful that I was once accepted into mathematics even though I didn't really like it at first. And because sometimes the things we never expect can lead us to discover something we truly love. So, if I had described my feeling throughout this journey, I would say nervous, challenged, excited, grateful, and maybe proud. And most importantly, I learned one thing. Sometimes, you don't have to be good at something before you start. You just have to be willing to start, keep learning, and never be afraid to try. Thank you for your listening, guys. Thank you for listening to my story. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, Ustaz Halim.